example 2 says, using a calculator, find the values of the following correct to 4 decimal places. So we have cosecant of 35, so we like to do CSC, 35 degrees. We have B, which is the secant of 162 degrees, and we have C to be the cotangent of 318 degrees. So the calculator that we have and that most of us use is only going to have sine, cosine, and tangent available to us, but I'm going to show you how we can make this work in a little bit better way. Now, cosecant of 35, that is the same thing as 1 over the sine of 35 degrees. Okay, so this is really nice. It's the reciprocal of it. So anytime you have to do cosecant, if you know what sine is, or if you're using a calculator, you want to know what sine is. So secant is 1 over cosine. So we have 1 over the cosine of 162 degrees. And cotangent is 1 over the tangent of 318 degrees. So how do I figure this out on the calculator? Well, I can do 1 over these things, and that's completely fine. And I can also do one other step, which I'll show you. So if I did 1 divided by the sine, oops, hold on real quick. Let me make sure I'm in degree mode, which I'm not. If you're working with degrees, you have to be in degree mode. So you can do 1 over the sine of 35 to make 1.743. Or to 4 decimal places, 1.734. Or you could also do the sine of 35. Now, important thing, this right up here where the matrix is, the negative 1 on the outside will do the same thing. So I'm going to get 1.7434. 1.7434. The cosine of 162, so I can do 1 over the cosine of 162. I'm going to get negative 1.051. And then finally the tangent of 318, or excuse me, 1 over the tangent of 318. That's going to be negative 1.1106. So these are our final answers. And so if you have to find sine, cosine, or tangent, you can use those straight into the calculator. If you have to find cosecant, secant, or cotangent, you'll have to use a slightly different method. So just keep those in mind.